Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a sliding screen door off its track. Before you begin, make sure the door is completely unlocked and any security pins or latches are disengaged. It's also a good idea to clear the immediate area around the door, giving you ample space to maneuver. Take a moment to observe the door's rollers, typically located at the top and bottom, and the tracks they run within. This initial assessment helps you understand the door's mechanism. To remove the door, firmly grasp both sides, ideally near the middle for balanced support. Gently lift the entire door upward by about 1 to 2 inches. This action should disengage the bottom rollers from their track. Once the bottom is clear, angle the door's lower edge outward, away from the frame. Then, carefully lower the door, allowing the top rollers to fully disengage from the upper track and pull the door free. With the door removed, it's an excellent time to inspect the rollers and tracks. Look closely at the rollers for any signs of damage, excessive wear, or accumulated dirt and pet hair. Next, examine the tracks themselves for any bends, dents, or debris that might impede smooth movement. Use a stiff brush to thoroughly clean both the top and bottom tracks. Finally, apply a silicone-based lubricant to the tracks to ensure the door glides effortlessly. To reinstall, begin by angling the top of the screen door into the upper track. You might need to lift the door slightly to ensure the top rollers are securely seated within the track. Once the top is in place, align the bottom rollers with the lower track. Carefully lower the door, guiding the bottom rollers into their groove. Test the door's movement by sliding it back and forth several times to confirm it operates smoothly and is properly aligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.